Ooh, it's giving me the mad goosebumps.
That noises.
Ah, everyone drives like a menace in Ireland.
Get the fucking way!
Move! I'm in a rush!
Non-stop. We going non-stop. Yeah, we won't stop. Say you're looking for a real, the one stop. We going non-stop. Yeah, we won't stop. Say you're looking for a real, the one stop.
Welcome to day 2 here in Ireland, and today we're going to go over our spicy JZX100 Mark II making 600 horsepower with a sequential. So we're going to do a quick rundown, but before we get into it, we're going to let you know that UK and Ireland can enter this car for this weekend only for as little as €15. And it'll be down in the show and shine at Mondello this weekend for you to come check out. So if you're around, make sure you come down. But anyway, first things first, we got to get this thing down that monstrosity right there, and I'm not looking forward. Let's do it.
Needs a bit more.
And it needs to clear the wing too.
Nice day.
Imagine if you went down and boo! Pulls the wing off. I'm scared. Move! Just a tiny bit more.
Do I need Here we go, Coco. We got an audience.
I'm glad we raised it.
That front bar we wouldn't have got anyway.
Nah, no way.
So it looks like I got no fuels, so I'm gonna get some fuels. Oh, sequential.
One thing about the standard seats, comfort.
Comfort.
Reminds me of the VL.
Street car comfort. I don't know if you can flat shift these boxes or not.
Okay, street car things.
Such a smooth sequential. Mark II in the streets of Ireland, Dublin,
Monkey London. Monkey Island.
Need the dose marks.
Yeah.
Probably would be good on this car.
That noise is so good. It's not too loud either. It's like a nice subtle whine. JC smoothness.
Electric seats, true. I don't know if the gauges work on this. We've only just run it for a second, so I got no temp on that gauge yet. And we got no fuel on that
What have
gauge.
you got up here?
What do we got here?
RPM? Is that RPM?
Yeah, RPM there. RPM works there.
What's this? Water temp? So that's your temp.
Oh yeah.
You're good. And you got turbo.
Water temp in what now? You got some fans in here.
That'll be... Yeah, it's Celsius.
It's warm.
Yeah, so she's definitely
warm.
up to temp. The fans are up.
Yeah, fans on now, so I see it drop. What do we got here? Turbski boosts.
It's nice and raspy. Ooh, I love the gate.
Makes the noises.
The gate sounds great.
It's got the 2J sounds.
Ooh.
Ah!
Oh,
Speed humpers.
Ooh.
I'm definitely glad we raised this.
That would have yeeted.
That would have been no chance.
Oh, it sounds spicy. I like it.
I'm so used to the who just done. Oh, I can't talk about that, can I?
Another car.
Just driven another car with a sequential, and I had the auto blip so you could bang gears.
It automatically
do
blips
that.
when you pull it down.
So you can just bang 3 gears.
Cool.
But this one, you just have to get used to it, and you'll be able to do the fast clutch.
Yeah. Just flat shift. See what it does.
Boom! I pulled it a couple of times, didn't like it. Probably have to rev match the dog perfectly.
She definitely goes good.
Yeah, boogies.
She's slippery.
Yeah, slippery. Got the 2J torques.
You gave me that. Ooh, it's giving me the mad goosebumps.
That noises.
Ah, it's stepping.
Got all the right noises.
That's gang. Yeah, I love it. Oh, give me the tangles.
Spice.
It'd be fun to drift on the track.
Ah!
Ooh, might be running out of fuel. I reckon there's a good chance that that gauge doesn't work.
Yeah, very good chance. It said that it has a radium fuel cell. It says that it has. We got chopped by the Lancer.
Everyone drives like a menace
Yeah.
in Ireland.
Legit menace.
Everyone's a race driver.
Get in!
Move! I'm in a rush!
And they got the jumping speed humps.
Yeah.
What do you call roundabout? Not speed hump. Turbo over here. Hey,
Maxol!
Maxol!
What is? It makes all the right noises.
It's not much of a dose. I was expecting the
Nah.
2J dose. Must have a hidden blow-off valve. We've got to tee off somewhere.
It sounds like it's got a pretty thick gate on it. Like it's
yeah,
deep.
it's a 60mm big
Yeah.
boy.
I like it. It's good. What do we got? We got a choice of shat fuel.
So their best is 95, but I can't. Premium. Unless. Obviously one of the premium, not E10. The B7.
Diesel.
What?
It mustn't be on this pump.
No.
I'm confused.
We interrupt because it is time to jump on our latest pre-order, the Keep It Reet Drift Club jumper. Could be yours. Jump on keepitreet.com. Put your pre-order in. We've only got until our next event, which is August 18th. So make sure you head to that link. Don't wait around. Get on it. Back to the vlog. Fuel sorted. And now we've got the service area. Pre-order, but you gotta pay for the air. Yeah, how much?
€1, 5 minutes of air.
5 minutes.
€1 or
put
two? No, we get 10 minutes.
Don't
so
waste it,
10
you're right.
minutes. We have to give away free air.
Yeah.
Anyone want it?
Yeah, 5 minutes of air. And every coin is gold. So
Yeah,
you don't know
backwards.
what's going on. Fitty. 20 cents.
I feel like it's similar to that.
What's this?
That'd be
There's the $1.
One.
There's a 2.
One
All the
euro.
same.
1 euro.
1 mil difference. 1 mil difference. You figure it out.
Ooh!
It's going already. It's going.
Quick, don't waste it! Quick! Oh! Ooh, 2JZ. No she.
I wonder if it's like premium air. I paid for this air. It's premium.
I'm gonna drop that.
Hello.
I'm holding an expensive camera and vlogging now. I was gonna say, while JB Rollers is doing that air, we can tell you a little bit about this motor. So it's actually a GE VBTI, so same as what we're gonna go on the V3 WAG, and it's a fully forged engine, so actually a very similar setup as well. I can't remember the rods and pistons, like Eagle or something, but yeah, 264 BC cams, and yeah, forged rods and pistons. And because of the fuel, so we didn't show you, but you can the only fuel they do is 95. And it's about to rain as well. God dang it. Only fuel they do is 95. Oh, I got Adam back. Cheers, Adam.
Back.
Only fuel we got in 95, so you can't go and crank the 2J, because this whole setup with the precision turbski, all that stuff, it'd absolutely sing. I mean, as we first saw, the pull then was premium, but that's only 18 PSI boost because of the 95 octane fuel. You're basically maxing it out, and you want to keep the car treatable, so that's where you're left at. But if we had the Aussie E85 or a drum E85 you get here, it's obviously painful. If you had to crank that to like 25 PSI and make the 800 horsepower or whatever. Oh, David Rogers is struggling. Quick, we're running out of time. You got 2 minutes, JB Rogers. 49. Oh, shoot. It's on skate mode.
You got a minute and a half left.
How did I go? Oh, 18. Oh. Quick, pump it.
Got 50 seconds.
Not spending another $2
Sign me
on
up.
air. I've
Sign
already
me up,
paid
Red Bull.
premium. This air is free. Why do I have to pay for that air? I don't understand. Oh no, we're running it.
30 seconds, JB Rogers.
Quick.
29.
Yeah, it's on 30.
It's
on 30.
Yeah, we made it. Perfect timing. See, I knew exactly what I had to put in. You scratched me bumper.
Now it's raining.
Yeah,
Oh, skate mode.
So, water's cheap, air costs you money.
Shat fuel.
Shat fuel or cleaner shat fuel. He's going to be loosey-goosey now.
At least we've got even pressures all around.
Oh! Oh! It's greasy.
Greasy. How do we get in here? How do I indicate?
Indicators work? Yes. You're right.
These roundabouts trip me
You're
out.
right. We don't understand the Irish roundabouts.
There's like a lane, so it's like once you're in the middle lane, you can never escape.
It's like you have to always be in the left lane on the outside, otherwise you're just stuck in the infinite loop of ebb.
Infinite lupus.
Oh! Never get used to. Oh, fuck.
Oh!
One thing in Ireland, they love their speed bumps, doesn't it? Over in Australia, they're on residential roads. In Ireland, they're on main roads. Well, why do you need a speed bump before the... That makes sense. Whoa. It's so slippery.
2JZ
God dang
power.
it. It hasn't rained all day. As soon as we go to take the car for a sneaky test drive, rain. Its tyres are useless in the wet, aren't they?
It does have all the 2J power.
Yeah,
the barrel
talkers.
wags.
But still, they're just mega slippery, aren't they? It is greasy, it would be.
Just waiting for a speed bump to come out of nowhere.
Yeah. Look over the distance, look back. Ooh! Ooh! Oh, car going.
And the breakers.
It's got a really nice sound to it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
This is that
You'd
raspy,
hear it. You'd hear it.
deep raspy.
You'd hear it coming. There's the cheeky speed up so you can't see.
Yeah. In the hire car, we hit them at Mach 10.
Never see him.
Yeah.
No, we're at perfect height.
Oh, hooked up alright there, didn't it?
The third gear.
The road's better.
It's still nice. Still nice. Still nice noises, but
Turbo
that
doesn't sound
2J.
like it does
would
the
be
turbo
perfect.
come in early, is it?
Yeah, it comes on pretty early. So $2 grand.
Yeah,
4.3.
It sounds like it's got such a good power band, like when it comes on.
2J thanks.
Yep. Alright, mate. Give him the hand. Alright, mate. You get away with everything as long as you give him the hand. Alright, mate. And
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
These roads are better than the ones out there, aren't they?
They're grappy.
Yeah, crappy roads. I'm a big fan of the sequential in the street car.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's not annoying at all. Like, it obviously does its clunks and it's a little whine, but the whine is not annoying at all.
Nah.
It's just a nice little hum. Great success.
No, I think at the rain stopping, so I might be able to do a quick walk around and go over the car a bit more in details.
Is that you accelerating? No.
Nah.
Wouldn't do too much of that.
That's what it does. So it does like it's like a backfire mode.
Sorry, guys. Give him the hand. Give him the hand. Sorry.
They want to film it there, right?
Okay, now we've stopped for a second. We can give you the full rundown on the car. So before I close in here, we now know we've got those spicy, pure comfort seat, JB Rolled. And that sequential is a Samson 6-speed, and we've got a triple plate extreme clutch behind there. Aftermarket steering wheel, some Defy gauges, a few little things, a few little trinkets they call them over here. And now figured out anti-lag button. True. I'll pop that bonnet and I'll explain the motor a bit more in depth. So I had to quickly check my spec list, but we've got the Precision 6266 turbo. It's got a Precision 66mm gate with a nice little screamer pipe pointing straight down to the ground. 6-boost manifold. Is that an Australian brand, 6-boost?
Yeah.
Yeah.
6-boost. Back home.
The premium sounds
Down
they know.
under.
They're everywhere, the old 6-boost, because you just can't beat them. We've got some 850cc injectors, the aftermarket intake, some custom piping with some really nice welds, to be honest. These are an Ireland thing. R8 coil packs. Don't ask me where they find them, but everyone's apparently got them. James, Dean.
They might find them off R8.
Off R8s.
Yeah.
Off the R8 Audi. Yeah. So I don't know, maybe it's like getting an R35 coil pack. Maybe you can get them like second hand for a fair price.
So that'd be pretty easy to get considering we're in Europe. So like
Europe.
You know, it's like getting the LS core packs back home.
Yes. So they work, they do the job. We've got some adjustable cam gears on there. I think they're HKS. You can just see it there a little bit. Fancy.
Moto Rat.
Yes, you can read JB Rogers. Mishimoto Rat. Front mount intercooler, we've got an oil cooler. So motor, it's got Eagle rods and CP pistons. Forged BC cam, as I said before, making 600 horsepower, 18 PSI on the 95. Fuels. I think that's pretty much it for the engines. And now we know she's spicy. And she goes, and it's a very nice little street package. So I think that's enough for under there. For the stylings, it's obviously got every little piece you could imagine to give it all the flair on the street. And it's in the factory JZX Toyota Pearl White, which is a gangster street color. VIP. VIPness. Yeah, it's nice little eyelids. So this bonnet is a D-Max bonnet. I'm sure that's a BCL wang, that big wang back there, but spec list says it's D-Max, so don't know. D-Max roof wing, and then the body kit is a BN Sports all round, nothing but the best. And then just some add-on, what do you call them? Splitters? Canards, don't know. I'm guessing that's like some Origin stuff. I don't know.
Wheels are very era correct.
Period correct. Nice. The wheels and suspension. We got BC coilovers, SSR SP1s. Don't know the exact size, but I have a feeling they're around an 18 by 9 or 18 by 9.5. Plus 22, I think, is the premium chaser sizes. Oh, what's that? Can't tell what that picture is of. And then, what else? We got some tinted windows for the VIP looks. It's got some big lock knuckles up front. And yeah, exhaust. I think it's like a 3.5 inch all the way through. Looking at it with maybe one muffler or two. Legal.
Not too loud for the street, but when the gate opens up, she sings.
She sings. And I think that's about it. Am I forgetting anything? I think that's it. And of course, open to UK and Ireland residents, free shipping to your door for whoever wins this thing. Pretty stoked being our first ever UK and Ireland giveaway, obviously, and our first time being here. Ready to join the team Falvey with their S15 tomorrow. So you can check that out. But if you're down at the event, make sure you check it out. We'll have QR codes on the window. Scan it or jump on our website, keepereat.com/JZX100. And yeah, you can get on this thing for €15. Not bad at all. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it. JB Rogers enjoyed it.
Loved it.
So make sure you smack that like and give us a subscribe so you can see our next video of going to Mondello and checking out this gangster Team Falvey setup. See you next time.